And welcome to Math for the Day. So today we're going to continue with our Introduction to Place Value unit, and here we go. The materials you're going to need are, once again, your base 10 blocks, your place value mat, and a piece of paper and pencil in case you want to practice while I'm doing the video. The standard for the day is NBT 1. Understand that the 3 digits of a 3-digit number represent amounts of hundreds, tens, and ones. Your I can statement for the day is, I can bundle ones to make groups of 10. So by the end of this lesson, I want you to be able to say, I can bundle ones to make groups of 10. Your anchor chart today is your base 10 chart, or your base 10 mat. So if you have that, go ahead and pull that out. The next slide will show the mini lesson, and I hope you enjoy it and are able to learn from it. Please forgive the funny faces that you see of me when you look at these videos.
I'm going to jump right into our bundling activity. So for the last few days, you all have been learning about hundreds, tens, and ones. You've been learning about how many ones are in a 10, how many tens are in 100. And today we're going to practice bundling our numbers. So sometimes you might be given a bunch of ones or a bunch of units that look like this, and you have to tell me how many units there are. Now in kindergarten and first grade, you all were used to just counting your ones and saying, okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 ones. But now, as second graders, you all are supposed to be able to find out how many tens are in the group and how many ones are in the group. So I'm going to turn around and use this anchor chart to teach you all about bundling. Let's get started. So I'm going to start up here, and I see a bunch of units thrown out. Miss Hall tried her best to draw the little unit cubes. I see a whole lot of units, and I need to know how many there are. When I get to 10, I'm going to stop. I'm going to group the tens together, and then I'm going to write down how many tens I have. So watch me. I'm also going to put a little dot in each cube, in each unit, so I know how many I've counted so far. So watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to stop. I'm going to draw a circle around my 10 cubes. That tells me I have one group of 10. Let's keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to stop. I'm going to draw another little bubble. So I have 2 groups of 10. And then I'm going to count my leftovers. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't have enough to make another group of 10. So in my little chart over here, I'm going to write that I have 2 tens, and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. So if I have 2 tens and 4 ones, that means I have 24 units altogether. Again, I count my tens, group them together, write down how many tens I have, and then I count my little leftovers. I have 4 leftovers, so that means I have 4 ones left. That gives me the number 24. Now down here, I can already see that I have way more units than up here. So let's count again. When I get to 10, I'm going to stop, group them together, and then keep counting. So let's go. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's one group. Keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's another group. I'm going to keep counting. 1, 2, how many groups of 10 I made. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 groups of 10. So in my tens column, I'm going to write the number 5. Now, how many leftovers do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leftovers. So that means I have 5 tens, 5 ones, which gives me the number 55. 55. So, boys and girls, this is how you're going to do that type of activity on paper. And when you log into Seesaw and you go to your activity, you'll see an activity just like this where they're going to ask you to bundle. Now, I'm going to show you how you can practice using your base 10 blocks. So let's look down here. I'm going to take out some more some more units, just in case we have to make more groups of 10. So watch what I do. I have a bunch of units here, and I need to count to see how many I have. When I get to 10, I'm going to stop. I'm going to grab a rod and move those units out the way. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Move them out the way and replace them. Whoa! Replace them with a rod. Let's keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Move them out the way and replace it with a rod. Because remember, there are 10 tens in a rod, 10 units in a rod. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Move them out the way. Replace them with a rod. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Move them out the way. Replace them with a rod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Miss Hall does not have enough to make another 10. So that means I have 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is the number 40. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. So altogether, I have the number 46. So that's how you all can use your base 10 blocks to help you or to practice. And I encourage you to use your base 10 blocks. All right, so when you're finished watching this video, you are going to get back on Seesaw, look for your activity, and you are going to practice bundling your ones and tens. Again, using the Seesaw, or using the activity on Seesaw, you're going to practice bundling ones, and I'll be able to see how you're coming along with bundling your ones and turning them into tens.